Psalm 119:116. 116 Uphold me according unto thy word, that I may live, and let me not be ashamed of my hope. Matthew 11:28-30. 28 Come unto me, all ye that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. 29 Take my yoke upon you, and learn of me, for I am meek and lowly in heart, and ye shall find rest unto your souls. 30 For my yoke is easy, and my burden is light. Romans 8:26-27. 26 Likewise the Spirit also helpeth our infirmities, for we know not what we should pray for as we ought, but the Spirit itself maketh intercession for us with groanings which cannot be uttered. 27 And he that searcheth the hearts knoweth what is the mind of the Spirit, because he maketh intercession for the saints according to the will of God. Hebrews 4:16. 16 Let us therefore come boldly unto the throne of grace, that we may obtain mercy, and find grace to help in time of need. James 4:8, 4:10. 8 Draw nigh to God, and he will draw nigh to you. Cleanse your hands, ye sinners, and purify your hearts, ye double-minded. 10 Humble yourselves in the sight of the Lord, and he shall lift you up.